How to unblock someone on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on LinkedIn using your phone or computer. This tutorial guides you through the steps to manage your blocked connections and restore professional relationships. So whether you have blocked someone intentionally and you just want to unblock them, or if you have blocked someone unintentionally, you can follow these steps. If you're having computer, you can follow similar steps, or if you're having Android, you can also follow similar steps. So first of all, you're gonna head over and sign into your LinkedIn account, and then you're gonna click on your profile at the top left. So once you do so, you're gonna scroll down and then you're gonna click on settings at the bottom of the screen, and then you'll be redirected to the settings of LinkedIn, and here you'll be able to see an option of visibility. So simply click on visibility and then you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see an option of blocking. So once you click on that, if you have multiple people that you have blocked, you'll be able to see a list of people. So if you wish to unblock a specific person, you're going to locate their name. So simply click on unblock right next to the person's name. And here it would say that, are you sure you want to unblock this person? Your profile would no longer be hidden from this person and you will be able to send and receive messages. You will still need to reconnect with them if you wish to be connected. And you're going to enter your LinkedIn password to make this change. You'll not be able to reblock this member for 48 hours after unblocking. So you're going to type in your LinkedIn password, and once you do so, you're going to simply click on unblock this person, and that's it. You have successfully unblocked the person on LinkedIn. However, you will have to reconnect with the person again for them to show up in your connections or friend list. So that was how you can unblock someone on LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.